Hello, and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. In this Power BI video, we will learn if OR DAX function. Click on the new column icon. I will name my column as if OR statement DAX. Let's write the formula equal to if OR sales greater than 10, or revenue greater than 2,000. Then return the value as good sales. If the condition is not true, then return value as poor sales. We have now created a new column based on the conditions we